Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are looking to grow your Snapchat presence, switching to a creator account is a great move. In this video, I will show you how to switch from a regular account to a creator account on Snapchat. So now let's get started. First, open the Snapchat application and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. So in the settings menu, scroll down to the My Account section, and here you will see an option labeled Account Type. Tap on it to view the available account types. Next, select Creator Account from the list of options. Snapchat then will provide a brief overview of the benefits of a creator account, such as access to insights and other tools to help grow your audience. Confirm the switch, and now you're all set. And that is how you switch to a creator account on Snapchat. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.